Publishing your Squarespace website is a simple process, and you can make your site live with just a few clicks. Here's a step-by-step guide. Edit and finalize your site. Ensure that you have completed all the necessary edits and customization in the Squarespace site editor. Review your content, design and settings. Save changes. Before publishing, click the Save button to ensure all recent edits are saved. Preview your site. Utilize Squarespace's preview feature to see how your website will look to visitors. Check both desktop and mobile previews for responsive design. Go to the Home menu. In the site editor, navigate to the Home menu by clicking on the Squarespace icon in the top left corner. Click Settings. Under the Home menu, select Settings to access global settings for your Squarespace site. Click Site Availability. In the Settings menu, find and click on Site Availability to access options related to your site's visibility. Toggle to Published. In the Site Availability panel, toggle the switch from Private to Published to make your site accessible to the public. Confirm and save. Confirm the changes, and if prompted, save your settings. Visit your live site. Click Preview or visit your site's URL to ensure it's now live and accessible to visitors. Share your site. Once published, share your Squarespace website URL on social media, through email or other channels to attract visitors.